here you go. This is the freezer, 12-volt freezer, and my water, 5-gallon water, set right like that. So then when you pour your out, you can use the little sink right there, that collapsible. There's a collapsible sink, bucket or whatever that is. You can just open the valve right here, use the water, right, and then you're done. And this is the freezer on top. And here's when you pull this out, you still have plenty of room here to put the burner stove on here. Flip the back, the top up here, protect the side of the freezer, and still have room here. I put some stuff right here, like my portable tent, pop-up tents, whatever that is, for privacy tent, and then I slide it into there. And so that's that. And this space right here, I have a 1000 watt battery, portable battery. I put it right there, so then I can plug it in, charging, and run my freezer or whatever else. In the winter time, I put this space right here, I put my propane heater here, and I just move my battery into the car somewhere. But I did have a DeWalt portable, what do you call it, propane heater. It fit right there just fine, and the 1000 watt battery is fit right here. So in general, it should look like that. I will show you how the bed look like later. Okay, so to continue, I get the Jackery 1000 watt portable battery, put it in the place so you can see. This is how it sit on that spot, and I plug in right now to the car when I ride with charging it. Then I also plug in the freezer, so it's running right now 73 degrees. So that how that look. Alright, and now I'm gonna show you how the bed look like. So I remove the top, the bed out, so then I can show you the box. This is the box look like. This box right here, I designed it so then it can turn into a table if you don't need, you know, like if you need to, you can sit in the back seat right here, use it as a table. I show you how it looked like. I sit in the back seat right now of the van, and I pull the top of the bed box up, so it's become like a table. And here you go, you can sit here, you can put a laptop here, work on your laptop, eat with this big table for eating. 2 people can sit in the seat like this, and then here's your leg. See, it's still leg room. still a lot of leg room and work. So I show you how it look like when it from outside. So this is what it looked like when I pop it up. As you can see, I use that set of I bought it on Amazon. I don't know what it's called, but it's opened up very nicely. You see, there's leg room, there's a table, you can sit back here, and then inside here there is plenty of room that I can put all kind of clothes or bed stuff, pillow or whatever. And let's show you I still have to use the lever to move the box if I want to, but I don't have to move because it fit very good. And again, this is I do the bracket for slide that thing in. So that's what it looked like. And I just mount this L shape right here, so it's easy to lift it up and put it down. Also protect that side of it, I guess. And then when you put it down, I show you how the bed look like. So this is look like this after I put it back down. And you just drop right here and swing it back to this seat. Stay on that seat just like that. Now I have a big room right here, like a big 4 by you see that right here. When I put the mattress on, it cover that to the back seat. It's kind of okay. I mean, you can put your head right there and leg right here, and it fits it fine. I'm like 5'8", and I'm fine. But the thing is that the little deeper down here, the mattress kind of sink down. If you put the head there, it's okay, but then it's kind of sink down a little bit. So I'm still not happy with that. But the thing is, because I'm lazy is that I'm just put it one out like this, and then get up, put the mattress on and get on it. But if I'm not lazy, I will slide this home box backward to the back, and that area right there will be covered, because this edge right here go to the back of that seat. Then over here I will just pop this up to become the full side bed. Then I don't have that problem with this little sink down right there. Let me go get the mattress and I show you what it looked like. So here's a mattress on top of that. Like I said, it's kind of raised up like that to the seat, and then you can lay down right here, put your pillow right there. It's okay. It's just like I told you, it's sink down right here, sink down right there, and I don't like it. I'm still kind of not happy about it. But I mean, that became lazy. I didn't extend. I didn't push the bed to the back, the box to the back. If I do that, it would curve that sink down right there. and then I can put this top up, I mean the bottom piece up, and well, so there you go. This is how the bed look from the front to the back, just like that, and here you got plenty empty space. You can put them down here, and okay, there you go. Let me put it back now. Yeah, I have to remove the mattress. I mean, you can see there's a big hinge, and then I just flip it back up, just like that, and just like that. So then I show you, I came up with this. You know, this is all kind of a cover for my window, side window, back window, using this as a heat, what do you call it, weather, you know, it helps when you put it on in the window on when it's cold or hot, and privacy. But I came up with this whole what do you call this thing, I don't know what to call, but anyway, this is how I just get them a spot for them, so then it's not taking places, a spot on my car. So everything's up there very good, and like very flat. You can not like in your head or anything, and even on the front seat, see, everything's still good, and that's that. So if you have any question, any comment, let me know. Thank you.